Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Scott and this is from Iowa to Arizona. So we got box number 2 of IndyCar from Parkside. My first box was absolutely insane. 11 autographs. One pack had 8 autographs in it. Come to find out by another YouTuber. Great channel, by the way, too. He contacted Parkside on Twitter, and Parkside said that there's 5 random packs thrown in that had 8 autographs in it. So I was like, wow, kind of in awe and shock there. But so far, I like the product. I'll definitely want to get more. I enjoy IndyCar. You know, I've been watching for a while. Don't know everything, but I enjoy watching it along with NASCAR, 𝗬𝗓, you know, a few other racing circuits as well, and F1, of course. So let's get to a ripping. All right, what do we got? We got Indy 500 honors. We got Scott Dixon. I do like that one. Simon, Pit Pass, nice one. Detroit, hey, Scott McLaughlin. That's a pretty cool card. I'll take that as well. Nimitz, Joseph Newgarden, Marcus again. 6th driver, we got a number there. Alex. I do, and I wish they did have like the number, like if it was 1 out of 99 or something. Hopefully next year they'll fix that. Graham Rahal, not a bad card. David, Marco Andretti, Marco again. Alex, a Pit Pass of Scott Dixon. Little scuffs there, but that's okay. Ryan Hunter-Reay, the Indy 500. Tom McLaughlin, VK, Devlin. Oh, that's kind of cool. I haven't seen this one yet. 100 Dates to Indy. That's pretty cool. This year I won't be watching it. I'll be in San Diego. I'll record it because I'm really wanting to see how Kyle Larson does, doing double duty. That'll be interesting. I think the last one I watched was it Kurt Busch? I can't remember what year he did it, but Ernie, VK, Graham, Catherine, Benjamin, Stingray Rob. Still think that's the best name ever. Connor Daly. Iconic Images, Ed Carpenter, Alexander Willpower, and Kyle Kirkwood. All right. Ryan Hunter-Reay, Christian, another Simon on the Pit Pass. That's okay, I'll take it. Willpower. That's pretty cool. Stingray. Jack. Tony. I liked his, my favorite car of his was the Vodka car. Marcus. Hey, there we go. Nolan. Not familiar with him. Yeah, I don't really watch that series, so I'm not familiar with them. But hey, you never know, man. You could be looking at the next Scott Dixon, you know? You never know. But I will definitely take that. Never know, man. Never know. Any auto is a good auto out of here, I think. Felix, Jack. Catherine. Dixon right there. Mid-Ohio. Jack. RC. Joseph. Ferrucci. Mr. McLaughlin. That's one die cast I have to get. I have Scott Dixon's and Tony's, but I need his. Hey, there we go. Gold. 4 out of 10. Marcus Ericsson. That's not too shabby. That's sweet. So, but I wish they would do like, you know, have that on there, but that's pretty cool. David, did I go through this already? Iowa. VK, Mr. Tony, and Ed Carpenter. All right, let's see what we got. I'd love to get a relic. I've seen that they have like relics. I would love to get that. Jack RC, a pit pass of Mr. Tony. Take that. 99. Yeah, I really wish they would do the number on there. I really wish they'd do that. Devlin, Christian, Mr. Award, Colton, Alex. Pit passes are kind of cool, but I really like these iconic images. I think those are pretty cool. Roman, Scott Dixon, Graham. I'd like to get his auto, actually. That'd be pretty cool. Or Tony's. That'd be pretty slick, too. Alexander. Clinched. Jamie. Kyle. Alex. VK. Simon. Christian. Devlin. Mr. Willpower. Toronto. Colton Herta. That's pretty cool. Joseph. Pato. Pit pass. Ed Carpenter. That's pretty cool. Pato Award. Take that. Connor Daly, Ryan Hunter-Ray, Pit pass, and we got Connor Daly as our next auto. Not too shabby. I'll take it. Pretty cool. Cards look really, I mean, just clean. I like the design. So, Parkside hit a home run with these, in my opinion. There's Mr. McLaughlin. I like that. Mr. Dixon. Augustine. Scott Dixon again. Ed. Alex, Indy Road Course, Mr. McLaughlin, Kyle, Jack, and Joseph. All right, who do we got? Will, Romaine, Portland. Sorry about that. Ooh, sneezed there. Portland. Hey, hardware. Pado. So that's my second one of these. It has a bunch of... I might be able to get that out, but that's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. Ryan Pado, 𝗬𝗦𝗓𝗦𝗧𝗏𝗧, Scott Dixon, another pit pass at Tony. Hey, we got another one of Jamie, so that's okay. The ink is kind of ran out, so I already got that one, but that's, hey, any auto is a good auto. So, it's pretty cool. Looked like the ink was running out though, but not too shabby. Of Jamie. Mr. Dixon, Kyle Simon, Will, Pit Pass, Sato, and we got a numbered of Santano Ferrucci. Pretty cool. Do like the numbered. Joseph, Colton, 𝗬𝗦𝗧𝗏, Christian, and Connor Daly. So, wow, that, I mean, I still love this product. You know, I got 3 autos. 3 autos is good to me, you know. Plus the hardware and this numbered card and these numbered cards. So I know in my last video I didn't say anything about the numbered cards because I was still kind of honestly in shock with all the cards I got, all the autos. Alrighty, so we got the recap. Just some cool cards. I do like McLaughlin cards, or the pit passes are pretty cool. Got quite a few. I'm gonna try getting all of them if I can. Hopefully I can. I think they're just pretty cool. I like the cards. My opinion, I think Parkside hit it out of the park with these. They're just really beautiful looking cards. So, in my opinion, I really enjoy them. So I'll continue to buy them as long as they're, you know, still available. And hopefully they'll be still available. I did get like a couple more, 3 more retail that I'll open up, maybe off camera or something. I'm not sure. The numbered cards are pretty good. But again, I wish they had the, you know, if it was 99 out of 99, I wish they had that. It would be cool to see that. Kind of like this. This is 4 out of 10. I think this is is this the gold, or is the gold 1 out of 1? I can't remember. I'll put it down below. I think I looked Friday or Thursday or Friday, so might be off on that. Had a lot of beer since then, so there you go for the Diamondbacks game. So those are pretty cool. I'll definitely keep those. The hardware, definitely like that. That's pretty cool. I'm hoping that I can get all of them, but I think last time I looked, I can't remember how many there were. I don't even want to say because I'm not sure, you know. All right, here we are. We are ready for a recap. Did pretty good. Got a lot of cards that I didn't have before. So I'll put those in the my collection. I'm going to collect the set. So I got 3 more retail. I'll probably buy a couple more hobby boxes. We'll just break down and do it. But like the numbered are pretty cool. I do like those, but again, I wish it was like 99 out of 99, 49 out of 99. It's nice to see that there's only 99, but it would be nice to see if it was 99 out of 99 or 49 out of 99. And then the 4 out of 10, I think these are these gold? I'll put it down below what these are. I looked, I think Thursday or Friday, but I forgot. I don't know if the gold is 1 of 1 or something. So I just breezed through it, didn't really read too much about it. So sorry about that. So I'll put it down below. But that's awesome. 4 out of 10 plus another hardware one. That's cool. I like that as well. And then 3 autographs. Jamie I already had. Chadwick I already had. But hey, you know, any auto is a good auto. Nolan, I gotta be honest, I don't know who he is. I don't really watch Indy NXT. Is that even on TV? I don't know, honestly. I've never seen it if it was. So, you know, I know I've heard of her before, but I have never heard of Nolan. So, but pretty cool looking cards. Like I said, any auto is a good auto. And then Connor Daly, Ed Carpenter Racing. I'll definitely take that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Really clean autos. I like it that they're all on card. And that to me is awesome. Because like for baseball ones, man, it's like stickers or, you know, every once in a while stickers. I'm not complaining about sticker autos, but at the same time, I like on card autos. So, but anyways, I'll quit the rambling. Definitely going to buy some more, like I said. Great product. Parkside had a home run with this stuff. I hope they keep doing it for 10 more years. Really like the product. And like I said, I'm going to buy another hobby box or 2 or 3. Who knows? So that is it. I'll open these. I got 3, like I said. I'll open those up in a separate video maybe, or just open them up because I want to get my collection finished. So, all right, until next time, please like, comment, subscribe. Have a great week and an awesome weekend. Thank you. Bye.